Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm talking about Layla, acoustic guitar jam by Eric Clapton. You probably know the acoustic guitar version of Eric Clapton's Layla, and we're talking about this today. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So, that's what we're talking about today. And so on. I'm gonna show you the rhythm guitar, some cool ideas to make something really cool with the vamp here, and also some solo ideas. We're not doing specific the Layla melody. It's really a guitar jam, but I find this this progression really cool, and it has two keys in it, which makes it really interesting and maybe a little bit demanding for some of you guys, but I'm going to show you the trick to play this. So let's get started. Okay guys, we first check out the chords, and the beginning we take pretty much from the original. We have D minor to B flat major to C major. We doing the regular D minor, and I strongly recommend finger picking, but you can also of course do it with your pick. So we have D minor to B flat to C back to D minor, and it's all two chords per measure. So, and we have this intro. We have this opening phrase, starts on 3 and 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, and this is anticipated on 4 and 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, you really move around with the bass, because now in the acoustic guitar duo version, or two guitar duo version, the guy who makes the rhythm is more responsible for the whole sound. So you have to make some bass movement, which you're doing here. You make this double bass, see? 1, 2, 3. When I switch chords, I always go over the open string. And in case of the D minor, it's the open D minor string, open A string. See, you go over the open string and create this kind of bass liney thing. But of course, you're pretty free on this to make it groovy as you like. What I also do often is 1, 2, 3, 4. When I have time, I make dead notes either on 2 or on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can also just play the chords and pop in the groove. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That also works. Or you make a mix of this. It's really cool, and since the chord progression is quite simple, you have a lot of time to improve here on your picking technique. Then we have the second part, which is a little bit demanding because it changes the key. first part is in the key of D minor, just 3 chords. Then it switches to E major, and we're starting here with C sharp minor, going to G sharp major, to C sharp minor, and then there comes this little movement, C major, D major, E major, which is a mix between E minor and E major. But it's so short that you can see it as E major to E major. Then F sharp minor with the bar here to B flat, B major. We just take the regular chords, E major to A major to F sharp minor. Just take the regular bar here and the B to E. So the second part is a similar, so same thing again. I go over the open string, and then it would come in with the chords of 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. This comes in 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 over the open E string. And now it's again 2 chords per measure or per bar. And you switch over the open string of the upcoming next chord. See? So the whole part is a 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1, 2, 3. And then we go back on 3 and with this opening phrase to the first part. And that will be basically the rhythm section of the tune. You play the first part 8 times, you know, 8 times, second part once, and then again 8 times. And the solo section, I recommend you make it longer. Now in the solo section, we probably want to have different chords to make it more interesting, because the solo part is just D minor. Just this. It's probably boring to stay on this, so I have a little progression here, which is probably more interesting but more demanding to grab. D minor here with the bar A, 2, 2, B flat at 9, so here in the 6th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, open D string, 2, C at 9, and here we are on the 8th fret, index on the A string on the 7th fret, ring finger on the B string on the 8th fret, back to, well, you can also add an at 9 if you want. You just don't do the full bar, you just have the open, the high E string open. So see, it sounds more interesting that you have kind of a variation on the whole tune. Yo! So that was the rhythm guitar. Now some cool ideas to make soloing on this tune here. I already said we have 2 keys, we have D minor and E major. So we're working, of course, on the D minor with the D minor pentatonics. Here or here. And also what is cool, make double stops, because when you're in a duo situation, something like D minor like this, to B flat major, to C major. I show you. works really nice. I also added this one. We have here 3 3, 5 5, 7 6, 8 8, and 10 10. So if you work with this, it's already cool. You can also work with, you know, like with you add some chords on top. Instead of just soloing, you make D minor to B flat major to C. Let's see how that works. Okay, the guitar is not completely in tune. So that is really nice with double stops, but you also can mix this up with minor pentatonics, and then you're pretty cool to go. Second part is E major. So we select the E major pentatonics and we use this one here. And what really is cool here, because we have this country style vibe here, add this lick here, pinky in the 12th. Or you can also do it here. We have E major here. These are the two main positions of the major pentatonics. This one and this one. And here you make and focus on the E in your soloing. So let's do this here on the second part. Maybe I can go a little bit further here in the... Just go directly to the second part. It should switch now. Works pretty nice. I'm not really showing licks here. I'm just showing some ideas what you can do to make your guitar sound really cool in a duo situation. And working with double stops is always a great method to make the empty space more full and get this more orchestral sound out of the whole thing. And you can add any of your licks, of course, and then add this double stop stuff, and then you're pretty cool to go. I give you a little example now. Let me go back to the beginning here and comes the second part. Is also cool. I want to show you this one in specific. It's the same lick as before, just half step above. Now we make That's really cool. And then it's pretty cool to go. Let me give a second shot just on the second part. Second part. Guys, these were a few ideas what you can do in to play the Layla, the acoustic duo version of Eric Clapton, or the acoustic version, and get some ideas. The key of this whole thing is to be groovy on the rhythm guitar, to really have this bass movement as showed, and on the soloing not going too much on speed, then going for following the chords with double stops, adding some cool licks, and then summing up with double stops, and that's really what could work and is really cool here. Best thing is you go out to your guitar body, say, come on, now let's play this one here, or you can download this backing track here, which I recorded for you, and try it with that one, or you can record yourself and go on with the jamming here. I'm gonna write down a few examples of the licks I just showed. Both this, the tabs plus the backing track will be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with a free member account, but in order to download the stuff, you need a premium member account. And this way you also support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. Please also buy a t-shirt. You find the link in the description below. What else to say? If you love my channel, share it to all your friends and pals, stuff and like, and help the channel grow, that we soon reach 50k subscribers. Many people say I don't have enough subscribers. It's not upon me, I'm just uploading videos. It's upon you guys to spread the word that this channel exists. Yo, me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye, and if you have any questions, suggestions, go to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. There you can do whatever you want. Bye.